Alright, I'm working on taking apart a laptop and fixing LCD screen. It is a DV5000 notebook, as you can see. I had problems with the LCD screen. I got it working before and it's acting up again. So, I'll show you what I do. And my tools. And what I'm doing is, you take some screws off from the bottom, you push this forward, comes right off. There's a clip underneath. Just push them both forward and this slides right out. There's another clip. You actually flip it up. Or no, you push it forward. I'm going to use a screwdriver and do that. It slides right out. So now, I've got the keyboard out. Problem with this one is right around here, or it's actually something with the panel is acting messed up. I think it's with the panel. So what I'm going to do is take it apart piece by piece and test it again. The issue I'm having is the screen was failing. I replaced the panel with another model I got as junk and it worked. And now I'm just trying to, I replaced the inverter too. I bought one on eBay. They're about 15 bucks or so. Just, you pull off sticker tabs on here. Not this damn sticker tab. Were on here before. So I got those off. You actually have to pull carefully or else you break it across each piece. Oh, it's annoying too. How they do it. Careful without breaking it. And gently do the center. And this is where the power inverter is at. They cost between $10 to $30 on eBay. I'll power on the device and see how this works. Put this piece back in. Put the other piece back in and slide it into place. Really hate ribbons. Wish it would finally go with just clips with some of these old laptops. And new ones too. Alright, need some juice. So I'll put in an AC adapter. See if it has the same issue. The issue it has is when you move it, the screen acts all screwed up. Well, maybe we'll pray it won't happen. Could have been one of the little cables pinched over here. And now it's got a light. See, I was getting there was too much pressure somewhere. Made it probably around here where the board is at. And So far it's working okay. I just got to figure out where around this area here and this area here, or this area here, is causing a short that it malfunctions. Or it could be easily the video cable right around here that leads to the devices completely. It can also be one other part in the back of the unit. If I can safely remove this piece off. Probably not, because there's screws on here. Well, I can take the screws off quick. If I remove this back panel off, there's actually some parts in the back. The video cable can act freaky on the back, causing it to malfunction. It's always good to have a 3 to 10 pound magnet handy with you, because if you got a screw it doesn't want to come out easily, just put it right there and it yanks it right out for you. Alright, this area in the back, this cord right here on the back, sometimes can be defective. I changed that out too, but yeah, it could get bent, can malfunction, and this can cause another problem with an LCD screen. So now I lift it back up. So far it works okay. I just want to lift it up and down. I was having problems with the screen would just like disappear. Well, it won't do it now that it's on, but I could force an example. It would go like this and then fail out. Just be white. So, okay, so it is the jack. Well, now I know what the problem is. It's the jack either down here. It's a video jack. If you can zoom in really quick on the board, when you unplug it or just move it a little, it gets all stupid. It's in really tight now, but if it's out wrong, it'll kill the light or it'll just malfunction all weird. You gotta clip it all the way in. Since it's an old laptop, I really don't care about it. I might just glue this piece in so that way it doesn't cause a problem and slide out again. At least I know. So it's the clip that leads from the onboard video straight to the LCD is causing the problem. It's right down here. This right here. Make sure when you have a metal device like a screwdriver, do not tap on a piece of metal on the board while it's on. You will burn it out, short it, ground it, whatever. You'll cause some good damage. And most likely void the warranty. But hey, if you're opening it up like this, you already voided it. Good luck. This is just an example with the HP DV5000 laptop.